What if I could transform how your parks operate? Thousands of facility managers are cutting costs by 40% using intelligent automation. Here's exactly how. Park operations drain resources fast. Maintenance scheduling, visitor flow management, safety monitoring, and resource allocation consume thousands of hours annually. Traditional methods rely on manual oversight, spreadsheets, and reactive problem solving. Businesses managing multiple facilities face exponential complexity, hazard impacts, and safety compromising visitor experience and safety compromising visitor experience and safety outcomes. systems analyze real-time data, visitor patterns, equipment maintenance needs, weather impacts, and safety incidents. Predictive algorithms forecast maintenance forecast maintenance before breakdown. Chatbots handle 80% of routine visitor inquiries, freeing staff for strategic work. Integration platforms unite siloed data into actionable intelligence. Park operators report 35–40% operational cost reductions within 6 months. Maintenance costs drop through preventive scheduling. Labor efficiency improves by redirecting staff to high-value tasks. Visitor satisfaction increases, boosting retention and revenue. Safety incidents decrease dramatically. Insurance premiums often reflect improved risk profiles. One municipality managing 12 parks saved $80 annually while improving visitor ratings for 180 to 4,007 stars. Start with an eye audit of your current operations for $39,080 on 80 of. Most solutions integrate with existing systems within weeks. Expect measurable results in 60–90 days. Successful implementation requires stakeholder buy-in and staff training. Ready to cut your park's budget in half? Subscribe for more cost-cutting strategies. Like this video and comment which park's operation drains your budget most.